Hey guys, look who's back! Welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to start to work on this old Chevy truck again. And I'm sure you remember it from some previous episodes. But anyway, we're going to paint this truck. It's going to be the original, or the color it is now, the color you see here. And, the one thing I'm not going to do on this is I am not going to, film just hours and hours and hours of sanding. I'm just going to keep you tuned into the highlights of it, and so you can see the progress. So I hope you enjoy it, because it should be a lot of fun, and I know I'm looking forward to seeing it all done. So be sure to keep tuning in on it and check out the progress of it. Should be a lot of fun for sure. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Hey, I just wanted to let you know up front, there's going to be a continuity issue in this episode. You'll have to see if you can see it or not. But anyway, if you don't like it and you want your money back, just let me know. I'd be happy to send you every dime back that you sent me. So I hope you enjoy the episode. And then after this, we'll get into the bodywork portion. All right, so we got a big old leak under here on the transmission pan, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that down. The owner got a new pan and gasket, and we're going to go ahead and get that put on. So what I'm going to do is take a bunch of these out, and then eventually I'm going to tip the backside down so it pours into the pan. At that point, we hopefully don't make a big mess. And he got a chrome pan, so that'll firm up the shift points and make this truck run a lot better. It's probably good for another 10 horsepower at the rear wheels. So let's put this on. Of course, I'm just kidding about the shift points and the horsepower. It's actually way better than what I said. just gonna check and make sure the gasket looks good all the way around it. Now's the time to fix that. All right, looks good. Now we'll tighten these to 100 pound-feet of torque. Okay, that might be a little high. I'm just going to basically use this to run the bolts in. I'm not going to tighten anything with them because this has way too much power. I got to look the torque spec up, but it's really low on this. All right, all done. Nice chrome shiny oil pan. Like I said, it's even got a drain plug in it, which is kind of nice. Walking around it, looking at the gasket. The gasket looks in place all the way around. So I think we're good. All right, looks like we got just a little drip of oil right there on the pinion seal, so let's do that too. As long as we're having so much fun already. There we go. Whew. This drive shaft doesn't have a collapsible section in it. So, interesting. Alright, so that's the seal. So I'm going to get a hammer and chisel and pop that bad dog out. Alright, basically there's just a regular old run-of-the-mill seal in here. We'll pop this out. There we go. Luckily I put a catch pan under it just in case that happens. So that's it. That's all that's to pulling the seal out. There we go, zippy zip. You always want to make sure that it's centered in there properly. just so there's no issues. I know they're tight properly. Alright, all done. Get a little spray. All done. Hey, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hi guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time and we'll keep working on this old Chevy truck. Should be exciting. I know I can't wait to see it all done. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Oop, right into the magnet. Ugh.